How's it going, guys? We have another beautiful piece here. This is kind of a combination here of different beautiful minerals. The red is a ruby garnet, comes from Pakistan. It's on a feldspar matrix that you'll see right here. More of the whitish yellow material you'll see everywhere. You'll also see protruding quartz kind of happening in a wide variety of structures here. And then the black inclusions are going to be scroll or black tourmaline. This came from Peshawar, Pakistan, and is currently traveling from booth to booth.